All right, so this review I'm doing here is for Seek Optics replacement lens options for the Oakley EVZERO, in this case, the Path. They also make them in pitch and stride. You just have to ask. Currently on their website, the only one you can order directly is the version for the Path, which you see in front of you. And they offer them in volcanic black, I believe yellow, and then the fire red. So these other three I had requested via email to them, asked them if there was a possibility of having them cut in some of their other colors. They said, sure, how many would you like? And so that's what I did. So what you see in front of you is 4 different options that I requested because the colors I like. I did the green, the blue, the red, and the purple. Now, don't let the color inside deceive you because they're against a white background. They have a lot of light coming in behind them right now because of the the high curve that comes with them. So with that, there's not a lot of options out there for quality. That's the important part. Top quality companies you can trust the quality of. Replacement lenses for these. Oakley didn't sell them, and unless you're buying some of the ones that are being phased out, and some of these colors were never even offered. That's the other thing. You might not get certain color variations, and so as a result, it's nice to be able to have a good third-party reseller that you can go to, get some replacement lenses for a very what I love is a great and comfortable all-day wear sport frame with the frameless EVZERO with the stems down the side and then comfortable nose. So with that, we'll just take a look at the mirrors. So the first one here we're looking at, you've got the blue mirror. I carry it out over here over the carpet. I'm in the process of packing, so forgive the mess, but you can see it goes to like a purple, blue, and deep blue in the center, and black. Has the trademark etching, and we'll get into the color you see on the outside and the base color. Then we've got the green. So you got a nice deep green in the center, fades to a blue, black towards at the end. You get the red here. And these are my favorite. They go from like a yellow to orange to red. And then you've got the purple. And the purple go from a light gold on the outer edge to a purple in the center and back to a gold. So with that, we'll take all 4 of our lens pairs outside. I've got the green. I only have 1 pair of the green, so I've got them framed up right now. We'll go outside and we'll see what the what the view tone looks like for them outside. All right. I live in sunny Alabama. It's overcast today, but the big thing is the amount of greenery I have out here in my yard, my front yard, very spacious. So we'll start. I'm gonna set these down and we'll start with the purple gold. Okay, so out here in front of you, the purple gold. It's actually a very nice mirror, subtle. It's not the strongest mirror, it's a subtle mirror. So if you're looking for something a little stronger, this may not be for you. All right, so looking through the back of it, you can see it's like an amber base. And let's see what we get for our viewing. Okay, so it's not as dark as like the Glacier lenses that I reviewed the other day by Fuse. But it's like a nice even amber base there. If you like that, I think it looks good. The colors pop good. Nice good viewing, clear, consistent. The next is the fire red, and that reminds me most of like the ruby. So first off, you see it's got a very pronounced, very strong mirror, and then your viewing experience is going to be, you see out here, it's a blue, a cool neutral blue view. And so if that's what you're looking for, is that classic ruby style view, this is right up your alley. Then we have the blue mirror. Again, very nice mirror out in the sun, very strong, and we'll see what it does here. All right, so black base, and it's pretty neutral overall once the lens adjusts to it and your eyes adjust to it. You know, it's like a yellowish brown, nice, you know, pretty easy on the eye viewing color. You see the greens pronounced pretty well with it, and the browns. Then we'll go to the last one here, and this is the green. And the green, you see it's got like a green reflection to it. I'm gonna put that on there. But the green ends up being, let me see if I can get a better view here of it, more of a rose base. So if you like the Prism Road line of sunglasses, if you like the older like Positive Red maybe, I think Trail is also like this, I could be wrong, but that's what you're going to get, is you're going to get this rose base, which is a very nice, you know, color lightning impact the way it works. So here they all are. Here they are outside, 3 of the 4. I'm gonna go ahead and set them right there for you so you can get a look at them. There's the purple, the blue, the red, and then the green. All of them very nice looking. Purple is the most subtle of the 4 mirror options that I chose to purchase. I'm very happy with all of them. The clarity is good. Nothing that's hurt my eyes, giving me headaches, anything like that. You never know when sunglasses are made, you know, how that's going to come out. But yeah, I would highly recommend these as options for your fuse replacement lenses. They're top quality. The parts fit right in like they should and lock into place. The clarity is great. The colors are good. So hopefully this will help you make a change if you're looking for, you know, or make your decision if you're looking for some replacements for your aging EV Zeros. Have a good day.